We'll guide you through how to install VS Code on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Visual Studio Code official website by typing code.visualstudio.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a big blue button that says Download for Windows. Click on it to start downloading the installer. After the download completes, open the installer file from your Downloads folder or directly from your browser. You'll be greeted with a setup wizard. Click Next to begin the installation process. You'll need to accept the license agreement, so check the box that says I accept the agreement and click Next. You'll then be asked where you want to install VS Code. The default location is usually fine, so you can just click Next again. The next window will let you choose additional tasks. It's a good idea to check the options to create a desktop icon and add to path, as these will make it easier to access VS Code later. Click Next to continue. Now, click Install to start the installation. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can check the box that says Launch Visual Studio Code and click Finish. VS Code will open, and you can start coding right away. You can also customize it by installing extensions from the Extensions Marketplace, which you can access by clicking the Extensions icon on the left sidebar. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.